All right, who's ready to win $1,000? To win this one, our team here at AFI are gonna have to navigate their way across a bridge of boxes. But here's the challenge. Each row of boxes contains one that can hold up to 300 pounds, and the other can only hold roughly 5 pounds. Each player will be drawing the name of one of you who they'll be representing, as well as a number which will determine the order that they cross the bridge. The person to make it across the bridge first wins. All right, let's do this thing. All right, go for it. All right.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. You got this.
Good job. Congratulations, Nicole, you're this month's big winner. For everyone else, don't miss out on next month's giveaway. There's still time to enter. And be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up with all the craziness that we're rolling out here at AFI. We'll see you next time.